Today is November 22nd, and here's a quick market update for the Martin, St. Lucie, and Palm Beach County areas. And also, I'd like to talk about the topic of backup offers, as well as discuss an opportunity coming up for an open house and an oceanfront condo today. So, going to the MLS, and over the weekend, we have added 397 new listings to the market. Only 275 have sold, and the current national average for the 30-year is 3.36%, which is up 12 basis points. That's according to BankRate.com. And right here, I just want to highlight one thing. On the MLS in the past 24 hours, or over the weekend rather, we've added 84 listings back to the market. And what this means is these are homes that were under contract, and for whatever reasons, they've come back on the market. So when considering a home and you see it's gone under contract, and you may see what's called active under contract, or in some cases backup, what this means is that the home seller is looking for a backup offer. And typically when a home goes under contract, there is an inspection period. And for a variety of reasons, a home buyer can back out during this inspection period. And what happens a lot in Florida is we have folks from northern states that are putting in offers on houses, what we call sight unseen, where they actually haven't been inside the home yet. And then sometimes they'll get down here and walk into the home and realize that, oh, this isn't exactly what I thought it would be, or it's not what I wanted. So they'll back out of the offer that they had made. So by putting in a backup offer, what this does is gives you what's called first right of refusal, or it puts you in a position where if that first contract falls through, you're next in line. There's no negotiating at that point. You've already negotiated the terms ahead, and the contract immediately goes into your favor and you move forward. Now, during this time, you have a backup put in. Typically, there's no money, there's no financial consideration, so there's really no financial obligation at that point. And you may have the ability to just go ahead and shop around somewhere else during that time, or pull your offer and move on to something else. So it's really more in favor of the buyer when considering a backup offer. Also, I do want to talk about coming up today. This is a oceanfront condo in the community of Ocean Trail, which is south of the Jupiter Inlet, kind of near Du Bois Park. And this is my teammate Kerry O'Donoghue's listing. She's going to be here today from 1 to 3. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,270 square feet of living space. There's been some upgrades done to this house, and this is listed for $710,000. There's recently a huge price reduction in hopes for a sale before the end of the year. So if you have any questions about this listing, I highly recommend that you check it out today between 1 and 3. Now, I have to tell you that you have to call the listing agent, which you can call me or you can call Kerry directly. But you do need to get instructions to get into the community. They do have a security guard, and without permission, you won't get access into the area. But beautiful condo association, beautiful area, right on the beach, and it's direct ocean view as well as view over the pool. So if you have any questions about these listings or anything else going on in the Treasure Coast area of Florida, please do give me a call. My name is Joe Capra, and my phone number is area code 772-999-1979. I hope you have a great day.